this session on drilling on M.S.Flat. Let us begin with the session.
Let us look at the objectives of this session. At the end of this session, you will be able to mark drill hole centers, hold the job in drilling machine table, set the spindle speed according to the diameter of drill through holes as per drawing, finish and deburr. Drilling is a metal cutting process carried out by a rotating cutting tool to make circular holes in solid materials. The drilling operation is carried out on a drilling machine. The tool employed to drill circular holes is called a twist drill. A hole is an opening in or through a particular medium, usually a solid body. There are two types of holes: blind hole and through hole. A blind hole is drilled to a specified depth without breaking through to the other side of the workpiece. A through hole goes completely through the workpiece. Let us learn the procedure for drilling on M.S.Flat. The tools required for this exercise are steel rule, files, tri-square, vernier height gauge, angle plate, surface table, marking media, dot punch and center punch, ball peen hammer, anvil, bench vise, drilling machine, drill bit, chuck key, nylon brush, vernier caliper. Check the raw metal size using steel rule. File all 6 faces using bastard file. Ensure parallelism and perpendicularity using a tri-square. Apply marking media on face A. Clean the surface table and angle plate. Clean the vernier height gauge and check for free movement of its parts. Mark to size of 63 mm by 63 mm using vernier height gauge as per the diagram. Witness mark the marked lines on the workpiece using dot punch and ball peen hammer on an anvil. File and finish to the respective sizes using different grades of files. Ensure parallelism and perpendicularity using a tri-square. Check the dimensions using vernier caliper. Again, apply marking media on face A. Mark dimension lines at 18 mm and 45 mm from face B using vernier height gauge with the help of an angle plate on a surface table. Mark dimension lines at 18 mm and 45 mm from face C using vernier height gauge with the help of an angle plate on a surface table. Witness mark the drill hole centers using center punch and ball peen hammer on an anvil. Observe hole centers as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us learn to set the spindle speed for given hole diameter. The spindle speed in revolutions per minute is calculated using an equation RPM N equal to V into 1000 divided by pi into D, where V is the cutting speed in meters per minute, D is the diameter of the drill in millimeter, and pi is 22 by 7, that is 3.1412. The cutting speed is selected from the table based on the type of material in which a hole is to be drilled. For example, to drill an 8 mm through hole on an MS plate, the spindle speed is calculated as V is equal to the cutting speed for MS material is selected as 30 m per minute as per the table. So, RPM is equal to, which gives N is equal to 1194.26 RPM. It is always preferred to set the spindle speed to the nearest available lower range on the pulley of the drilling machine. The selected spindle speed to drill 8 mm hole is 1000 RPM. Let us learn how to decide the drilling feed. Feed is the distance x that a drill has to advance into the work in one complete rotation. The rate of the feed is dependent upon a number of factors: finish required, type of drill material, material to be drilled. The table shows the range of feed with respect to drill diameter. Clean the working table of the drilling machine such that it is free from chips. Hold the job in the drilling machine vise. Fix 3 mm diameter drill bit in the chuck using chuck key to drill pilot holes. Ensure that the drill bit is aligned with the hole center. Set the appropriate spindle speed for 3 mm drill bit. Switch on the drilling machine and the coolant system. Drill 3 mm diameter pilot holes on all the hole centers. Clean the surface of the workpiece with a nylon brush after drilling operations. Fix 5 mm diameter drill bit in the chuck using chuck key to drill on the previously drilled pilot holes. Set suitable spindle speed according to the size of the drill. Drill 5 mm diameter through hole in the workpiece. Remove the 5 mm drill from drill chuck. Similarly, fix 7 mm diameter drill in the drill chuck using chuck key. Drill through hole at points 2, 3 and 4 as per the drawing. Remove the 7 mm drill from drill chuck. Fix 9 mm diameter drill in the drill chuck using chuck key. Drill through hole at points 3 and 4 as per the drawing. Remove the 9 mm drill from drill chuck. Fix 11 mm diameter drill in drill chuck using chuck key. Drill through hole at point 4 as per the drawing. Remove the 11 mm drill from the drill chuck. Clean the surface of the workpiece with a nylon brush. Check the size of the drilled holes with vernier caliper. Deburr and finish the workpiece. Apply a little oil on the job and preserve it for evaluation.
To recap, we have learned to mark drill hole centers, hold the job in drilling machine table, set the spindle speed according to the diameter of drill, drill through holes as per drawing, finish and deburr. So that's all about drilling on M.S.Flat. Hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. See you in the next session.